After understanding the mole concept and how the mole concept relates the mass of a substance with the volume of the gaseous substance with the number of particles present in that particular substance, let us now understand the different applications of mole concept. The most important application of mole concept is in percentage composition. Percentage composition, and mainly it deals with the percentage of the different elements present in any particular compound. Let us take an example of a methane molecule. In this we know its molar mass is 12 plus 4, it is 16 grams per mole. Now out of which 12 grams is of the mass of the carbon and 4 is the mass of the hydrogen atoms. Now we can find out from here what is the percentage of carbon by mass. So it is 12 by 16 into 100, which comes out to be 75%. And similarly, percentage of hydrogen by mass will be 4 by 16 into 100, that will be 75%. So this percentage of carbon by mass in the compound and similarly the percentage by mass of hydrogen in the compound gives us that what is the composition of the elements which are forming the methane, and this percentage composition gives us a lot of information regarding that which element is dominating or is more in terms of mass in any particular compound. Let us take some more examples. Like in case of water, the molar mass is 2 for hydrogen, 16 for oxygen, and it is 18. Now, the percentage therefore of hydrogen by mass will be 2 by 18. 2 by 18 is 11 point approximately 2. So it is 11.2%. And the percentage of oxygen by mass will be 16 by 18 into 100, which comes out to be nearly 88.8%. So this is how we can find out the percentage compositions of the different elements in any particular compound. Let us take one more typical example, ethanol. This molecule is ethanol. Now in this, the molar mass is, for carbon it is 24 plus 5 of this hydrogen, 16 plus 1. This makes it 46 grams per mole. So therefore, percentage of carbon by mass will be 24 by 46 into 100, which comes out to be nearly 52.1%, and percentage of hydrogen by mass will be 5 plus 1 of this hydrogen, so it will be 6 by 46 into 100. This comes out to be 13.1%. And now what is left is oxygen. Once we know the percentage composition of the two elements, like 52 for carbon and 13.1 for the hydrogen, we can find out the percentage of oxygen by mass will be 100 minus 52.1 plus 13.1. What we have done is we have subtracted the percentages of carbon and hydrogen from 100 so that the left out one is only of the oxygen. This is another way of finding out the percentage composition of the one, because we are finding out total or what are the percentages by mass out of the total 100. So this can easily come out to be 100 minus, it is 65.2, so it will be nearly how much? You can find it out here. 100 minus 52.1 plus 13.1, which comes out to be 100 minus 65.2, so this comes out to be 34.8%. So this is what is the percentage composition of oxygen is. Now this percentage compositions information is very much useful in finding out the empirical formulas and the molecular formulas of the compound, which is the next application of the mole concept.